Hi friends, it's Kerry Altman and this is the 41st installment of Music for Strange Days. It's the middle of May and it's finally warm enough and nice enough to sit outside and play some music, so this is great out here in my backyard and saying hello with a song. I have a great video to post today from Cliff Bernier. It's a tribute to Sonny Terry. It's another musical poem. It's great, and it's part of a collection of poetry called The Right Blend that's recently been published. You can find it on Amazon, and I'm looking forward to seeing it myself. So this is great. Thank you, Cliff. Really appreciate it. Everybody check out the book and enjoy Cliff's video, which should be posted right below this one. If you don't see it right there, click on the Music for Strange Days icon. That'll take you to the home page, and on the videos tab all the videos are listed. So inspired by Cliff's poetry, here's another poem song. When I was in high school, my buddy Bill Froelich took this popular poem and put it to music. He only chose 5 stanzas of it because it's a very long song, a very long poem. It would have made a long song. Anyway, my friend Tom Connolly requested this. Okay, Tommy, this is for you. And here we go. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered weak and weary over many a faint and curious volume of forgotten lore, as I nodded nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis just some visitor," I muttered, rapping at my chamber door, "only this and nothing more." Distinctly I remember it was in a bleak December, and each separate dying ember wrought its ghost upon the floor. Eagerly I wished the morrow, vainly I had sought to borrow from my book surcease of sorrow for the lost Lenore. That fair and radiant maiden, the angels named Lenore, nameless here forevermore. Well, open here I flung the shutter, and with many a flit and flutter in there swept the stately raven of the ancient days of yore. Not the least obeisance gave he, not a quack or quabble made he, but beneath both lord and lady perched above my chamber door. Perched above the bust of Pallas, just above my chamber door, perched and sat, and nothing more. Prophet, said I, thing of evil, prophet still if bird or devil, by the heavens that mend above us, by the God we both adore, tell this soul with sorrow laden, if within a distant Eden it'll clasp a saintly maiden, whom the angels name Lenore. Clasp a fair and radiant maiden, the angels name Lenore, quoth the raven nevermore. That raven never flitting, still is sitting on the pallid bust of Pallas just above my chamber door. And that raven with all the gleaming of a demon that is beaming, and the lamplight o'er him streaming cast his shadow on the floor. And my soul from out of that shadow floating across the floor shall be lifted nevermore, shall be lifted nevermore. nevermore. All right. Thank you. And I'll see you soon.